Hey, rat! A bunch of keys. Who could this belong to?
Hey children, give me my keys.
Sorry, sir. We didn't know they were yours.
Thank you, little ones, for finding my keys. You deserve a reward. Hey, what are you doing here?
I dropped out of school because my father had no money to pay for my tuition.
My mom is sick and I'm looking for money to take her to the hospital.
I haven't eaten for 3 days now.
There are no activities in this village.
That is not a problem. People call me small job, plenty money. I work with children like you. We will do a small job and you will get a lot of money. You can buy iPhones, dress better, eat well, pay your school fees, and fulfill your dreams. You can start fishing for me at the sea.
Hooray!
Hello, as agreed, the children are already recruited. Send me the remaining 5 million so I can employ more for you. You know, without me, the recruitment agent, your company can't function. I'm waiting for my money.
Check the fuel.
It's full! It's probably an engine issue. John, run, grab the paddles.
This is getting tricky.
Mom! Mom! I'm dying!
Help! Somebody help me! I am drowning! Dear friends, I'm listening.
Everywhere, on TV, radios, and social medias, they are talking about a tragedy at sea where several children lost their lives.
I witnessed another tragedy this week. On the highway, some children selling cigarettes, plastic whiskey, and peg drugs were knocked down by Oloris as lost control.
Tunga, that is not all. In my village, children are engaged in harvesting crops and loading trucks, which leads to spinal problem.
This is getting worse. On gold and cobalt mining sites, children are often victims of landslides and injuries. They use drugs, take alcohol, turn to prostitution, and are exposed to harassments.
The situation of child garbage collectors in my village is pitiful. They are exposed to injury, respiratory, and skin disease.
These tragedies happen because the authorities allow businesses to operate illegally, conducting economic activities at the expense of children's well-being, violating their rights.
We must act now. Let's organize a peaceful protest.
Haki yetu, on veut le changement, on veut le changement. Tunakata, haki yetu, on veut le changement, on veut le changement. Tunakata, haki yetu, on veut le changement, on veut le changement. Tunataka.
Stop! Stop! You can't come in here!
Tunga, what are you doing here with this crowd?
We are fed up. Tragedies are increasing. Enough is enough.
Your Excellency, Tunga is here as planned, but is not alone.
Let the delegation come in. These tragedies are national disasters. We've lost children, and this could have been avoided if our decisions and measures have been implemented. Let not be hypocrites. This is our fault. Shiren, do you have any solution to propose?
Your Excellency, on behalf of all children, you promised a change. Yet, despite all your decisions, children are still exploited.
Your Excellency, we have ambitions, but we are not given opportunity to express. Ourselves children are no longer involved in decisions about projects that affect their lives.
To conclude, we re-emphasize the following suggestions. 1. Create conditions for children to easily make responsible and not to be exploited. 2. To create platforms for meetings among children, parents, authorities, companies, and other organizations in order for children to be listened to whenever it comes to decisions concerning them. 3. Authorities and companies need to listen to children for any project, contract, and commitment impacting our future. 4. Child-led organizations should be supported and involved in decision-making. 5. The right to light and limited work and equitable justice should be enforced among company managers and their employees.
Thank you for the relevancy of your solutions. From tomorrow on, we will consider your concerns and inspect businesses. Any company that will violate children's rights will be sanctioned. Henceforth, children will participate in all our meetings. To build our country, all children should succeed in life. Thank you.